Turns out you guys were super into this Jimmy shirt, which makes me so happy because I DIY'd it and it's no-sew, which means you can too. So you're gonna take your t-shirt and we're basically gonna create like a curved bib. So just fold it in half and start at the bottom for however short you want it. That's specific to you. You're gonna create a curved shape, basically going around the graphic all the way up to the shoulder. And when you open it, it's just basically like a big oval with a neck hole. We're gonna use this ruffle trim to clean up the edges. I'm using fabric glue, super thin line of fabric glue along all of the edges of the shirt, and then you're gonna lay your trim on top. This is gonna clean finish it and give it obviously a really cool design detail. Now to close up the sides, I decided to use some metallic elastic that I had. I recommend pinning this in place, trying it on and making sure it's the right size because it is specific to your bust size, your body size, how much skin you want to show. Then you're either going to sew it in place or glue it in place.